Carbide burr tools, also known as carbide burrs or rotary files, are high-performance cutting instruments made from tungsten carbide that excel in precision material removal for weld preparation tasks like creating bevels and chamfers on metal edges. These tools are mounted in high-speed rotary tools such as die grinders, pneumatic or electric, and are particularly effective for preparing joints in metals like steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and others before welding. Beveling and chamfering involve cutting angled edges on metal parts to form grooves, often V-shaped or other configurations, that improve weld penetration, reduce the risk of defects, ensure proper fusion, minimize distortion, and enhance the overall strength and appearance of the finished weld. The process begins with selecting the appropriate carbide burr based on the material, thickness, desired bevel angle, commonly 30 to 45 degrees for many applications, though it varies by welding code and joint type, and the specific geometry needed. Common shapes for beveling and chamfering include cone-shaped, SJ 60 degrees or SK 90 degrees for angled cuts and internal corners, flame-shaped or oval for contoured edges and fillet areas, cylindrical for straight edges or smoothing, and tree-shaped variants for accessing grooves or creating precise profiles. Double-cut or cross-cut burrs, often with Z6 serration, are preferred for aggressive stock removal on ferrous metals during initial beveling, while single-cut styles may suit aluminum or finishing passes to produce smoother surfaces with less loading. Burr size, diameter and length should match the scale of the workpiece, smaller burrs for detailed work or thin materials, larger ones for heavy plate. To create a bevel or chamfer, hold the die grinder firmly with both hands, positioning the burr at the correct angle relative to the edge. Apply light, even pressure while moving the burr steadily along the edge in a controlled motion, typically forward or with slight side-to-side passes to avoid digging in or chattering. Let the tool's high-speed rotation and sharp carbide teeth do the cutting rather than forcing it, which prevents overheating, tool wear, or irregular surfaces. For thicker materials or deeper bevels, make multiple light passes, gradually building the angle and depth while maintaining a consistent root face if required by the welding procedure. On pipes or curved edges, rotate the workpiece or follow the contour smoothly. For internal joints or tight spaces, right angle or extended reach burrs, or specialized shapes like round nose tree, allow better access. Throughout the operation, monitor for signs of tool loading, material buildup in the flutes, which can be mitigated by using cutting wax, soap, or specialized lubricants suitable for welding prep. Avoid oils that might contaminate the weld zone, periodically clearing debris, or switching to a burr designed for the material. After achieving the desired bevel or chamfer, typically a clean, uniform angle without burrs or irregularities, use a finer burr or the same tool at lower pressure for a final smoothing pass to deburr and refine the surface. This preparation ensures the edges fit together properly, allowing the weld filler to penetrate fully and create a strong, defect-free joint. Post-prep, inspect the edges visually or with gauges for consistency, then clean any residual chips or dust before welding. Carbide burrs offer significant advantages in weld prep over traditional grinding discs or files, including faster material removal, greater precision and control for complex geometries, reduced heat input, minimizing distortion, and versatility for both heavy beveling and fine finishing. Proper technique, tool selection, and maintenance, cleaning after use, avoiding quenching in liquid, and storing dry, extend tool life and ensure repeatable high-quality results. While carbide burrs are excellent for manual or small to medium-scale work, very large production jobs may supplement them with dedicated beveling machines, but for fabricators, welders, and maintenance tasks, they remain an indispensable handheld solution for creating reliable bevels and chamfers. Always follow manufacturer recommendations for speeds, feeds, and safety, and practice on scrap material to develop consistent muscle memory for professional outcomes.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the Carbide Burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.